Hello dear decorators. Welcome back to the channel where creativity meets comfort and every corner of your home becomes part of a beautiful story. Today we're going to explore Christmas decoration ideas that go far beyond simply placing ornaments around your house. This is about creating an atmosphere, a feeling and an experience that transforms your home into a warm and unforgettable space during the holiday season. Before we even talk about specific decorations, let's start with something that truly makes a difference: intention. Many people decorate without a clear vision, and that's why their spaces can sometimes feel cluttered or disconnected. Instead, ask yourself a simple question: how do I want my home to feel this Christmas? Cozy, elegant, magical, minimalist, nostalgic? Once you define that feeling, every decision becomes easier and more meaningful. One of the strongest tools you have to achieve that feeling is your color palette. Choosing 2 or 3 main colors and sticking to them creates harmony instantly. For example, traditional red and green bring warmth and familiarity, while white and silver create a calm, winter-inspired atmosphere. If you prefer something more modern, combining neutral tones like beige, cream, and soft gray with subtle metallic accents can give your home a very sophisticated look. The key is consistency, because when colors repeat throughout your space, everything feels connected. Now let's move to the centerpiece of Christmas decoration: the tree. A beautifully decorated tree is not about how many ornaments you use, but how you place them. Start by layering your design. First, add lights going from the inside of the branches outward. This creates depth and a soft glow that makes the tree feel alive. Then, add ribbons or garlands to guide the visual flow. Finally, place your ornaments, mixing different sizes and textures so the tree looks balanced rather than flat. But here's something even more important than technique: meaning. A tree becomes truly special when it tells a story. Including ornaments that represent memories, family moments, or handmade creations gives your tree personality. It no longer looks like something copied from a catalog, but something unique that reflects your life. This emotional connection is what makes your decoration stand out without needing to spend more money. Let's now focus on the living room, which is often the main gathering space during the holidays. This is where comfort becomes essential. One of the easiest ways to create that cozy feeling is by working with layers. Add soft blankets, textured cushions, and warm fabrics. When different textures come together, they create visual richness and physical comfort at the same time. Lighting plays a huge role here as well. Instead of relying only on overhead lights, try using multiple light sources. String lights, table lamps, and candles create a warm glow that instantly changes the mood of the room. Warm lighting makes colors look softer and more inviting, and it helps your decorations feel more natural and less artificial. Another area that deserves attention is your dining space. This is where many meaningful moments happen during the holidays, so your decoration should enhance that experience. Start with a simple base, like a clean tablecloth or a natural wooden surface, and build your design from there. A centerpiece can become the focal point, but it doesn't need to be complicated. A combination of candles, greenery, and a few decorative elements can create something elegant and welcoming. The key here is balance. You want your table to look beautiful, but also functional. Decoration should not block the view between people or take up too much space. A well-designed table invites conversation and connection, rather than distraction. Now let's talk about something that can completely transform your decoration: natural elements. Bringing nature into your home adds authenticity and warmth that artificial decorations often lack. Pine branches, dried oranges, cinnamon sticks, and wooden accents create a sensory experience that feels deeply connected to the season. For example, you can create simple arrangements using greenery and place them on shelves, staircases, or even around mirrors. These elements not only look beautiful, but they also add subtle scents that enhance the overall atmosphere. When decoration engages more than just your eyes, your home feels more immersive and memorable. Your entryway is another important space that should not be overlooked. It's the first impression anyone gets when they arrive at your home. A well-decorated entrance sets the tone immediately. A wreath on the door is a classic choice, but you can personalize it with ribbons, lights, or small decorative details that match your interior style. Inside, consider adding a small decorative setup near the entrance. A console table with candles, a tray with seasonal elements, or even a small Christmas arrangement can make your home feel welcoming from the very first step. Let's not forget about smaller areas, because they often have a surprising impact. Spaces like shelves, windowsills, and corners are perfect for subtle decoration. Instead of filling them with too many items, focus on creating small compositions. For example, combine a candle, a small decorative figure, and a natural element. This creates balance and allows each piece to stand out. One concept that can elevate your entire home is visual continuity. This means repeating certain elements, like colors or materials, throughout different spaces. When you do this, your decoration feels cohesive rather than random. For instance, if you're using gold accents on your tree, you can repeat small gold details in your table, shelves, or entryway. These subtle connections make your home feel thoughtfully designed. Now let's explore DIY decorations, which are not only cost-effective, but also deeply personal. Creating your own decorations allows you to customize every detail and gives your home a unique identity. Simple ideas like handmade ornaments, decorated jars, or personalized candles can make a big difference. The process itself is also valuable. If you decorate with family or friends, these moments become part of your holiday tradition. Over time, these handmade pieces carry emotional meaning, making your decoration even more special. Another element that many people underestimate is scent. While you can't see it, scent has a powerful effect on how your home feels. Aromas like cinnamon, pine, vanilla, or orange instantly create a Christmas atmosphere. You can introduce these scents through candles, essential oils, or natural materials like dried fruits and spices. When scent, lighting, and decoration work together, they create a complete experience that feels warm and inviting. This is what turns a decorated house into a true holiday home. Let's also talk about minimalism, because sometimes less really is more. It's easy to feel like you need to decorate every corner, but that can lead to visual overload. Choosing fewer pieces and placing them intentionally often creates a more elegant result. This approach works especially well in modern spaces or smaller homes. By focusing on key areas and letting them stand out, you create a sense of clarity and sophistication. Empty space is not a problem, it's part of the design. Another powerful idea is to create small focal points around your home. These are areas that naturally draw attention, like a fireplace, a coffee table, or a corner with a chair and a lamp. By decorating these spaces thoughtfully, you guide the eye and create moments of visual interest. For example, a simple setup with candles, a decorative tray, and a touch of greenery can transform an ordinary surface into something special. These small details make your home feel complete without requiring a huge effort. Finally, remember that Christmas decoration is not about perfection. It's about creating a space where you feel comfortable, relaxed, and connected. Trends can inspire you, but your home should always reflect your personality and your lifestyle. Take your time, experiment with different ideas, and enjoy the process. Decorating is not just a task, it's part of the experience of the season. The more you enjoy it, the more that feeling will be reflected in your home. Thank you for being here, for sharing this creative journey, and for turning your space into something meaningful. I'll see you in the next video.